Okay. And they have a solve Leetcode non-overlapping. Right. Basically, the question is, what my intervals be what I say, right? Intervals no, it be uma abroad so like a overlap and say the intervals are here say we free idea we more we free our list of intervals we are every money now continuous non-overlapping, right? Inti my example back what I say no my 3 examples. For first example no show the way it looks like. The first example is something like this: 1 2 2 3 3 4 and a 1 3, right? But if you 1 to 3 ultimately say 1 to 2 and a 2 to 3 na equal share 1 to 3, right? Now we would do any share, right? Unless you are critical, but we are critical. But another way we can clearly a bit me who side way and say and go back to primary school and draw number line, right? T 1 2 3 4 5. Just at 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. The first one on the mind, I 1 to 2. And here starting from I say 1 to 2. Okay. Second one, a 2 to 3. And here I'm going to say no, so I start here for I say 2 to 3. Back on also 3 to 4. Which I'm going to say no, so I start here for I say 3 to 4. Okay. Another thing, last one, 1 to 3. Start 1 yeah, baby 3, right? It's clearly no, which me who say, friend saying, 1 to 3 no, 1 minute, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. It is a per se. You the minimum number you bet to make year from the minimum interval you bet to make year from. Ama idea way na I non-overlapping way. And see you way free ma. Ni na be non-overlapping. Bibia overlapping. Bibia many bibia engine. I 1 2 3, right? And you know that is how but me who say you way free ma. Back open na see you free na you overlapping. Another example. So I'm there my saying. Right, example 1 2 3 and I'm my 1 to 2 back on. I'm my another 1 to 2. I'm my another 1 to 2. Osha me as I way na overlapping you way from near you way from my back on. And until answer near 2, right? Way so there and find say way third example no say 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Overlapping be any into any see be a film, right? Okay. It's brought back to first example. First example no. Osha if you have nearby her, right? I be drew hanum see I in say baby a we and no any baby a we starting is less than or equal to embro so right? It's a bit too much so. We drew and so and say baby a we starting any baby a we and no right? A less than or equal to bit non-overlapping. But if you drew hanum then find say free has a near be drew has a no baby a we starting is swatching baby away and then cry, right? Is swatching baby away and then cry. Into no, you will say you will see a way frame, right? But the way I didn't have a into a drawway, near drawway, and sunny a drawway. Do you my but yes, sort here, right? Yes, sort here, yehuni nji ya sorting bibi say is sorting by the last numbers now nji be 1 to 2, right? 2 to 3, because I 1 2 and we see a 1 to 3, right? Now back on so 3 to 4, because you can see a sorting by the end element, you know, 1 2 3 4. Technically crampon you bit meji we aba say na ba be bit say 1 to 3 and 2 to 3, right? In here, right? Yes, I need a dry painting. You find say starting from 1 to 2, right? 2 now we see and say into 2 no, and they were here, right? Now we so 1 no, 1 no, air starting or has no, is swatching we cry, right? Baby a 1 starting, baby a 2 in end no, 1 starting is swatching 2 in end no, right? Nti ebe won say overlap bi abem wo if it ase here nti ne yi we frame man afi dey atwa so bibi abe pepepe, right? But how if it ase no ma yan hwe nti en fa no say ha say ni stopper en free hanum stop. You start here you won say stop no less than or equal to the start of your friend saying this first one, right? Into yes and near the stop na san ba say into stop 2, right? But I say stop 2 no, also change the beginning of this first one, right? Stop 2 no, also change into here and never my you way free no, right? And never you way free no. Now for the ya so sa you do a normal near the stop 3 na ba say. But stop 3 no, anyway no, overlap be any na so. But how can we represent a bit more representing if no stop no, bit more representing by negative infinity, right? Because question nankasa no intervals no negative to positive, but example no mama I for negative be anka that's I say idea I was say you say yes sort here am I finding overlaps no some time, right? It's basically that is what's all you need to understand question way, right? Into yanko share how you best solve that question way. Into first of all no or see a sorting intervals no, intervals dot sort the key that we are going to sort variable be sorted by the second element in that interval, right? It is here I sorted, right? Sorted intervals no by the end number, by the end. Okay, and I told you about stop as negative infinity, right? And set that one up and so I say stop at, this is how I'll be representing negative infinity in Python. INF negative, right? And our results now be number results now, and so you're setting as 0 from now on. Into for start and end in intervals. If starts is greater or equal to stop, starts now I say so change stop na baby almost stop first stop no you're setting as negative infinity now there's no overlap, right? Into the new stop no be the end of first interval na ya fa into I say Yes, now stop will now be equal to end, right? Else, if that is not the case, for example, where I sort we and you say the next one starts no, your cost of 2 starts no, is what chain the end no, until you see a UA frame, right? Until UA frame and increase the resource by 1. You are near return the resource. Basically, this is how I solve question way. And she say we are okay with the solution. Yes. Submitting so alright. This is how I solve question way. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.